everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I am joined by...
Hello! I'm ThatFezGalX! It's actually Cait, guys. So today everyone, I'm here with Rachael. Obviously you know it's her channel. We're going to be doing the Maxton design side skirts, splitter and split. We're going to show you how to clean your car beforehand, because Rachael hasn't done that. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing, isn't it? And then fitting the products. So stay tuned.
So we're using a product by On It Off.
And it smells just like 1 million. So she's cleaning the vehicle now, just so along the line where it actually fits.
Because I never cleaned it beforehand.
Oh, you glide that microfiber. Brushing away the dust that she's just done on the motorway. She got lost as well, bless her. And she's brought a poor car down this horrible road. Right, so job one done. So we're going to go over, she's already opened up the actual from the packet. What are you going to be doing now? You're going to rip, oh, do you not think like this is so satisfying, isn't it?
I think we should mark it out first.
Yeah, let's do that. I have got a pen. It's a dry wipe. No.
Masking tape?
I have got masking tape, yeah.
I feel like that's just like a perfect fit.
Yeah? If you hold the other side, what do you reckon? So like masking. I want to make sure it's safe.
I don't know, I think that is perfect there.
So if you have it like that, that's how it will be exactly the same when you say. So it has to be like along the line.
Yeah.
So ideally you're wanting the tape to go along where your car actually is. I think that's how it should be.
I think that's the one.
Yeah?
Kind of looks like Batman. Don't you think? Look at
It's got like bat ears, yeah.
Yeah, that looks sick.
Me like a bit.
So this is the before. So we've used some masking tape to mark out the centre there and then put a little dot there, so the N needs to line up. So I'm going to take this off and then we will be able to get the full...
That is really satisfying. I don't so much how satisfying that is.
Try and do the rest?
No, because I wanted to start it off.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it looks so much better.
Just need to wipe it.
Yeah.
And keep it.
A nice,
Win-win.
nice little Batmobile.
So I'm Robin with the shipmobile and you on the Batmobile. Sweet.
Okay, so now that we've done the spoiler lip, next is the side skirts. So the side skirts that I opted for was the version 2 ones.
So we just put a jack under the car. Axle stands for safety. I know what people are like. Right, so that's there as well. And then going over to Rachael now, she's just going to pull off. Is that what you pulled off? Yeah. The clear. So instead of, we tried just drilling it on the other side and it was a case, it took really hard.
Yeah, forever.
Yeah, so Rachael is going to preempt it here. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Which is under the car, and we're also going to drill holes to like preempt it kind of thing, and then we'll end up drilling it through again. So, where's the preempt it? Go on grab it. You got that? Yeah. drill. It is hard. Trying to get the flat. So it's just cheap 3M tape from my brother.
It's not fucking cheap.
And then we are just going to drill ever so slightly in the holes already given. Well, yeah, mark off. If like they're literally like this, there's 3 of them, but I would advise putting about 1 million self-tappers in. Line yours up how you want it. That's that Jack's it glaze it.
I don't think so. No. Once you're happy with the position of the side skirts, then drill up into the car using the holes that we made earlier, and then grab a self-tapper and hand screw it up into the car, and then secure using a screwdriver. And then repeat the same steps all over again until you feel that the side skirts are fully secure. So I think me and Cait ended up putting about 10 in each side, so you might want to use that as a guide. Okay, so we've just fitted one side and now we're going to do the other. This is what the version 2 Maxton design side skirts look like. And then it's time for the splitter. So this is the version 4 Maxton design splitter. So I personally love this so much. And then just like before, drill holes into the splitter using the markings as a guide. And then again, using 3M tape for extra hold, apply this to the ends of the splitter just like I'm doing here. And then for the splitter, it's the exact same process as the side skirts, unless you want to bolt it on, but we are using self-tappers. So same again, drill up into the guide holes, add a self-tapper and then tighten with a screwdriver. It's as simple as that. And that's it guys, they're finally on. So we've got the version 2 side skirts, the version 4 splitter, and also the version 2 spoiler lip. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I am absolutely in love with how my car now looks. The splitter, I feel it makes the car look more angrier, and I honestly couldn't be happier with the side skirts and the spoiler lip. I think Maxton have done a great job with these products. Just got home, and before you ask, yes, the splitter has survived the motorway. But if you're interested in getting any products features on this video, then I'll leave a link to all of the products that we've used below in the description, along with Maxton Design's website. And for you guys, I've got you as a little cheeky discount code. So if you use STRH10 at checkout, that will get you 10% off all products across the website. But yeah, if you've liked the video, then please like, and if you want to see any future content from me, then hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.